Here's a quick example of wiring up to read the pulse width modulation signal. We need to first be reading across a resistor. In this case, I have a decade box and 1000 ohms is turned on. Our black wire with the pulse width modulation goes to the red contact. It goes through the resistor, and the black contact goes out to our DC common to complete the loop, which is the blue wire back to the port. The attenuator probe from the oscilloscope goes to red, and then its ground contact goes to the other side of our resistor on the black contact. Setting it up like this allows us to correctly see the pulse width modulation signal in the oscilloscope.